What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This episode today is brought to you by our partners at Weld Wheels. What they did for us was make us, again, a one-of-one set of wheels for the Wrangler truck. Here they are. What we got here is, of course, another set, one of one. I like that phrase, one of one. Weld S77s. They are 15 by 10 inches wide. They're a ½ inch wider than the normal Nascar wheels. Got a 3.5 inch lip, polished lip with the black face. And what's great is they were actually able to make these hubs, the hub bore, big enough to where their covers actually go over the Grand National hubs on the front of this. So they really facilitated everything to make these perfect for the Wrangler truck. All right, guys, once again, we want to thank you for 1,000 subs. We want to thank you to our partners at Weld for making these cool projects such a possibility to help generate all the views and all the engagement on our comment section and all the likes. We have some big things planned for the barbecue this year, so we'll catch you at the barbecue.